Hey guys, welcome back to this video. So this video is about the caloric deficit consistency, CDC, right? So this is more to do with the process I started in January, 9 months in. So what have I learned? I've learned that it's all about consistency. Okay, you got to pick a meal plans that you like and then just follow them, just follow them religiously. If you have to take a week off here and there doing your process, that's fine. I was pretty extreme. I just disciplined and stuck to it. But I had a few takeaways here and there for about 3 weeks within the nine months. Did it hinder my performance? Like we said in the previous videos, a little bit, but it wasn't that. We're not really competing. Obviously, if you're competing, it's a different story. Then you have to be proper strict, because you have deadlines. But you want to enjoy the process as well, right? But also, you want to eat the foods that are healthy, that you want to enjoy those foods, as well as having the odd takeaway here and there. So this video is going to be really short and just sweet. The main thing that I wanted to share with you in this video is that in my experience, everyone talks about consistency in every field. It could be any field you're working in. If you're consistently have a structure and you're practicing good habits, what have you. Like for example, in this transformation, the transformation I was on, they had 5 things every day I had to do, or as the fitness program would say, these were my 5 non-negotiables. And these non-negotiables were 10,000 steps a day, follow your nutrition plan, exercise 3 times a week, weight training, resistance training, that is no cardio, your steps are kind of your cardio, 3 to 4 liters of water every day, and 7 to 8 hours of sleep. These were 5 things in the program I did, and they were completely built into that program and say, look, these are your non-negotiables. So every day, without fail, you have to do these. And then the reason, now when I look back at the 9 months, I understand why they did it, because they wanted to build the habits in us. And to be honest, it worked, because the habits are now ingrained. When I wake up in the morning, the first thing I think of is just going for a walk. So it's just really well programmed into my mind. And even if I leave the program now, I know I'll still do it. And your mind changes when you start looking at food as well. I know some people say that you can go a bit extreme on that, calorie counting, this and that, but you tend to start to know and you get an idea of what has what kind of calories, is that good for me, that portion. And it's all based on little portion sizes. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to give you my definition of that calorie deficit consistency. It's kind of a little abbreviation I made up, CDC, but I thought, okay, what can I share with you guys that I think would kind of, hit home. So stay in a calorie deficit, have consistency, and you will see results. So I just wanted to share that little short thing this is just something I learned, and I wanted to just share it with you guys. And that is the key, really. Just stay consistent in what you're doing. Trust the process. Don't give up if you're not seeing results, because changes are happening in your body. They are happening. Trust me. If you're counting your calories and you're being consistent, you are going to see changes. Okay. The reason I say that is I'm living proof, and I had to make that transformation to show you that the proof is in the pudding. Okay. So see you in the next video. See you later, mate.